burning pain, ice-cold sensations, pins and needles, electric shock like pain. If any of these sound familiar, your nerves are inflamed, irritated, or damaged. If you experience any of these, your nerves are crying for help. And here's something most people don't realize. Medicines alone cannot heal nerves. Nutrition does. And what if I told you? Food can either heal your nerves or silently damage them. Hello and welcome to Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub, where we decode health, pain relief, and wellness using science-backed lifestyle strategies. We simplify medical science into practical lifestyle healing. Today you'll learn 7 food groups that repair and protect nerves, 5 food groups that silently worsen nerve pain. You'll understand how nutrition can regenerate nerves naturally. Stay till the end for a bonus trending tip. Most doctors don't talk about. If you or someone in your family suffers from nerve pain, tap like right now so this information reaches more people. Neuropathic pain occurs when nerves themselves are injured. Common causes include peripheral neuropathy, shingles, sciatica, carpal tunnel syndrome, trigeminal neuralgia, spinal injuries, post-stroke pain, and multiple sclerosis. The biggest hidden cause? Nutritional deficiency plus inflammatory foods. And here's the key truth. Nerves need nutrition to heal and regenerate their protective covering called myelin. Lack of nutrients or toxic foods can be the root cause of ongoing nerve pain. Omega-3 is the structural fat of the brain and nerve myelin. It reduces inflammation and helps rebuild damaged nerve membranes. Best sources: salmon, sardines, mackerel flax seeds, chia seeds. A vegetarian. People with chronic nerve pain often have low omega-3 levels. Aim for 2 fish servings per week. Or consider omega-3 supplements if vegetarian. Comment omega if you consume omega-3 regularly. I reply to comments. Berries and grapes protect nerves from oxidative stress, the slow damage caused by free radicals. They fight chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. Best options: blueberries, strawberries, cherries, cranberries, grapes, oranges. Vitamin C supports healing and immunity and nerve repair. Whole grains are rich in B vitamins, especially B1, B6, and B9. B vitamins essential for nerve health, act as electric conductors for nerves. Choose brown rice, oats, quinoa, parboiled rice. Avoid refined grains like white rice and white flour. Your brain uses 20% of the energy you eat. Feed it wisely. Nuts are rich in vitamin B complex, magnesium, omega-3s, and healthy fats. Best choices: walnuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios, Brazil nuts. Excellent fuel for nerve signaling and brain energy. Please remember, this video is educational. Always consult your doctor for diagnosis or treatment decisions. Beans are great plant-based energy source. They are high in magnesium, supports nerve repair, and calms overactive pain signals. Include lentils, chickpeas, kidney beans, black beans. Magnesium deficiency is common in chronic pain patients. Lean meats provide vitamin B12, iron, amino acids for nerve repair, and protein, critical for nerve function. Choose chicken, turkey, eggs, boiled. Avoid fatty red meats. Vegetables are non-negotiable for nerve health. Vegetables contain alpha lipoic acid, ALA, a powerful nerve-protecting antioxidant. Best choices: broccoli, spinach, kale, potatoes, yams. ALA is proven to improve nerve function, nerve conduction, and pain reduction. Alcohol is a major cause of peripheral neuropathy and worsens nerve damage. Limit sodium to 2,300 mg/day. Too much salt damages blood supply to nerves. High sugar worsens diabetes, the leading cause of nerve pain. Avoid sweets, soft drinks, desserts, packaged snacks. Yes, even chocolate. Deep-fried foods and fatty red meats increase inflammation and nerve irritation. Too much caffeine overstimulates nerves and worsens pain sensitivity. Intermittent gut nerve healing. New research shows gut inflammation directly worsens nerve pain. Add these daily: fermented foods, curd, kefir, early dinner 12. Hour overnight fasting. Your gut heals, nerves heal. If this video helped you, share, Subscribe to Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub comment Nerve Healing if you want a printable food guide.